It's 11 p.m. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll wake up early, but the alarm rings. You hit snooze again and again. Then you rush to school or university feeling tired, stressed, already behind. If that's you, listen carefully. This isn't one of those wake up at 5 a.m. and become a billionaire videos. This is a realistic 5 a.m. routine for students in 2026 with distractions, with burnout, with low motivation. And yes, it actually works. Let's fix your mornings and your life step by step. Part 1. Why 5 a.m.? Before you even set the alarm. First, understand this. Waking up at 5 a.m. is not about waking up early. It's about winning the first hour of your day. Science shows your willpower is strongest in the morning. Your brain hasn't been attacked by notifications, messages, assignments, and social media yet. At 5 a.m., the world is quiet. No noise, no expectations, just you. And that quiet, it builds focus, it builds confidence, it builds discipline, but only if you do it right. So here's the exact structure. Part 2, 5 to 5:10 a.m. Don't touch your phone. Alarm rings. Get up immediately. No snooze, no scrolling. Here's the trick. Put your phone far from your bed. You're forced to stand up to turn it off. Now go straight to the bathroom. Wash your face with cold water. Why? Cold water shocks your nervous system. It reduces sleep inertia. It tells your brain, we are awake now. Then drink 1 glass of water. After 7-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Even 1% dehydration reduces focus. Simple action, huge difference. Part 3, 5:10 to 5:30 a.m. Move your body, even if you're lazy. You don't need a gym. You don't need motivation. Just 15 to 20 minutes of movement. Push-ups, squats, jumping jacks, or a quick walk outside. Exercise releases dopamine and serotonin. That's natural motivation. You know that heavy feeling you get before studying? Movement kills that feeling. And here's something powerful. When you do something hard at 5 a.m., your brain says, I'm the type of person who takes action. Identity changes everything. Part 4, 5:30 to 5:45 a.m. Mind reset. Beat overthinking. Now sit somewhere quiet. No phone. Set a 5-minute timer. Close your eyes. Take slow breaths. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 4 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. This calms your nervous system. Most students are not lazy. They are overwhelmed. Too many thoughts, too much pressure, too much comparison. This small breathing session reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. After that, write 3 things. 1 goal for today, 1 thing you're grateful for, 1 problem you will face bravely. That's it. Clarity removes anxiety. Part 5, 5:45 to 6:30 a.m. Deep study session, the secret weapon. This is the most powerful part. Study your hardest subject first. No music with lyrics, no multitasking, no checking messages. Use the 45-minute deep focus rule. Why morning? Because your prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain, is fresh. You'll finish in 45 minutes what normally takes 2 hours at night. And here's the emotional truth. Imagine going to school already knowing you studied, already ahead, already confident. That feeling changes your posture, your energy, your self-belief. You stop feeling like you're always catching up. Part 6, the night before. This is where most students fail. Let me be honest, your 5 a.m. routine is built at 10 p.m. If you sleep at 1 a.m., 5 a.m. will destroy you. Target sleep time, 10:30 p.m. 1 hour before bed, no social media, no heavy videos, no negative content. Prepare your clothes. Prepare your study table. Write tomorrow's top task. Make it easy for future you. Discipline is not about willpower. It's about reducing friction. Common mistakes students make. Trying to change everything in 1 day. Expecting motivation every morning. Quitting after 3 days. Listen, the first week will be hard. You will feel sleepy. You will question yourself. That's normal. You are not weak. You are just building a new identity. Give it 14 days. Your body clock will adjust. And suddenly, waking up at 5 feels normal. What changes after 30 days? Better focus. Less procrastination. More self-respect. You stop saying, I'll start tomorrow, because you already started. And something inside you shifts. You begin to trust yourself. That's the real goal. Not 5 a.m., not productivity. Self-trust. Final words. If you're watching this and thinking, I've tried before, I always fail, I get it. Student life is pressure, deadlines, family expectations, comparison.
But you don't need a perfect life. You just need one powerful morning. Start tomorrow. Not Monday, not next month, tomorrow. Set your alarm for 5 a.m. and when it rings, remember this video. You're not just waking up early, you're building the future version of yourself. If this helped you, hit subscribe, share it with a friend who needs discipline, and comment below. 5 a.m. starts tomorrow. Let's build this together. Motivated.